everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today I'm going to be decorating two clouches, so come on with me guys. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm using the awesome window clean, it's the window cleaner from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and just spray this, and I'm just going to spray the paper towel. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Decorate a Winter Clouch. Now, the host of this collaboration is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, which is myself, and Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Absolutely love decorating my clouch, and I actually DIY'd both of these, so I'm so happy to decorate them, guys. I thrifted these items. Look at the size of this this clouch. Well, it was a big fish bowl, and I turned it into a clouch, and I DIY'd this part here. I glued that to the top. And so decorating a winter clouch. So I'm not sure. I think I know which way I want to go with this one. It is winter time. Valentine's Day is in the winter. Okay, so I think I want to do a winter, a Valentine's Day clouch. Okay, and then maybe a winter one with a smaller one. Not sure. So let's get started with this one. Look at this, so beautiful. You know what? Let me clean the inside. Let me clean the inside of this. Okay. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. And my channels, I have 3, and I will be linking them down below in the description box, so head on over there guys and support me. I would really appreciate that. So okay, so Valentine's Day is in the winter, and I really wanted to decorate one for Valentine's Day. So I have this table scatter. It's so cute, this lips. Anyway, I have this table scatter. So maybe I should place the items on here first, and then we can go ahead and decorate the rest. So let's see. So many goodies over here to look. I'm not showing you yet because I'm not sure which way I'm going with it. So, Valentine's Day. Well, I absolutely love this bunny, guys. So I think I am going to place this beautiful pink bunny in here. I love the bunny. So we're gonna put the bunny in there. And then I love the love sign. So we want to put the love sign in here. So cute. And all right, so I got these cupcakes from Dollar Tree. So I am going to stick a cupcake in here. I'm not going to cut the string off because I will be using this again, but it is so adorable. I'm going to put a cupcake right there. And I'm not sure if we want to overload this here. Let's see. Let's put some of this. Oh, we have some of these candies. All right. So let's put the table scatter on there first. Now the Dollar Tree's carrying this tree, but it was too tall for my clouch. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this part off, and I'm gonna reveal it with this tree. But I just wanted to show it to you first. So they had it in pink, and I've been gravitating toward the red, even though we're using both red and pink. and white. So let's see, I'm gonna just grab some table scatter in here. How nice is that? I love it. Okay, and I have, like I said, aren't these candies so adorable? So I'm just gonna kind of place them in there. I hope I can get that dome over it. So we have candy here, and maybe one more. Let's see. So I think this is so cute. I'm hoping I can get this dome over it. So one is because the cupcake isn't sitting there, right? And the table scatter won't let the lid close. So let's see. I'm gonna put some on this side and then put the bunny. So adorable. All right, and then we want to place the candy. One there, and then one here. Now we'll place the dome. Like that. No, the cupcake keeps moving. Okay. Now, so if we do push the scatter there, maybe I can get it to sit on top of the scatter. So we'll place the cupcake right on top of the scatter. All right, let's try it again. I just didn't want the cupcake to be tilted. Now, if there's anybody that I'm forgetting to add to this collaboration, I'm going to link it below in the description box because I don't have my flyer with me. So look at this. Isn't that absolutely adorable? I'm leaving it just like that. So we're just going to slide this close over and when I move it over to the table, I guess, to display it. This is gorgeous. So I'm going to move that one over to the side, and then I'm going to bring this one over. Now this cloche here I made a while ago. Isn't this cloche absolutely gorgeous? Okay, so we have a Valentine's Day cloche here. We're going to go ahead. You can see it's smaller, but I DIY'd both these cloches. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is my Valentine's Day cloche because Valentine's Day is in the winter time. And then this one here, we're going to do winter. So let me think about this that I'm going to put in here. Okay. And I have, I think, 2 other small little cloches. I don't want to leave those behind. So we're going to decorate those too. This one has been in my closet for a while, so definitely want to get this cleaned up. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? I decorated this close with BB Craft items. I love decorating cloche. Then I'm going to lay it sideways here just to wipe the inside. Alright, so that's ready. So like I said, one of these, I have my Valentine's Day one there, and we're gonna go with winter. So let me go grab some items. I'm gonna start out with this gold tree. Absolutely love this gold tree. So I figured I'd make this one a little bit more fancier because it has gold. This is gorgeous, guys. So I'm gonna use this gold tree. So this was going to be very simple because as you can see, this plate here is very small. So let me go grab something. All right. So I think I'm going to use, we have a tree. Here, and then I have these white ones, so I think I'm gonna use these as well. Let's put the deer. Oh my goodness, this deer is gorgeous. That's it. I'm gonna go like this, and then the two white trees. I think I like that. What do you guys think? Let me see. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that, guys. So now we're gonna put this dome over it. That is absolutely gorgeous. So we have the winter cloche here and the Valentine's Day one here. Oh my goodness, they are gorgeous. So I think we should head on over to the reveal, guys. I am so excited about these closes. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. So let's head on over to the reveal. Bye.